Hi, everyone. My name is Lena. I'm the marketing lead over at Legion. Today, we have Amanda, the COO over at BitRobot, here with us today. Amanda, how are you doing?
Good. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you please tell us more about BitRobot?
With BitRobot, we're building the world's open robotics lab. So if you think about how to do open robotics research and development, it's to aggregate resources from around the world. So compute, teleoperators, researchers, robot fleets, coordinate them using Solana and reward them for doing productive work for robotics.
Sick. And so agents are obviously huge in crypto right now. What's your next big bold bet in the AI space?
Yeah, I mean, so I'm a bit biased. Obviously, we're doing robotics. I'm in the intersection of crypto with that. So I think that's an exciting direction. I think there is an overlap with agents in terms of physical agents and actually doing activity in the real world. But essentially what we've seen is with the ChatGPT moment, there's been a ton of advancements in LLMs, and that's now translated to the next stage, which is embodied AI. And so there's tons of money right now and resources flowing into how do we kind of couple AI with hardware in the real world and create productive physical robots. And so that's what I'm excited about with BitRobot as well.
And I know you guys have a Breakpoint activation coming up, right?
Yes, we do. So it'll be we call it UFB, so Ultimate Fighting Bots. And this is humanoids fighting each other. So we'll be doing a tournament as well as showcasing other things within the BitRobot ecosystem.
Amazing. Yeah, I definitely want to see it. I hear it's right outside in the front, so I'm excited to just see it firsthand. So BitRobot measures proof of robotics and Legion measures Merit on chain. How are you guys thinking about incentive design for these proofs and network contributions?
Yeah, so BitRobot is a network of subnets. You can think of subnets as each subnet pursuing a specific research mission and goal, and each one has an output called verifiable robotic work. So an example is the original subnet and how our company got started. It's called ET Fuji. And essentially you're doing sidewalk robot navigation in the real world and kind of like a Mario Kart or Pokemon Go. And so the output there is qualified miles. And so you're basically making sure that when people are playing the game and contributing data, they're not just like sitting there with their sidewalk robot, but they're actually like having quality data that's being collected. And so you're measuring the quality and difficulty of the data, not just. So essentially it's a validation metric.
So understanding Legion and our merit that we're a merit-based fundraising platform, why would Legion's model of fundraising through Merit and KYC essentially speak to you as a COO of a token raising project?
Yeah, so I mean, I think most crypto projects we're looking to activate our community, and like our whole network is focused on creating productive outfits for robotics, whether that's coordinating model development and real world evaluation or data collection. And so I think it aligns with like you want to not just have like I don't know a bunch of bots that are benefiting from your network, but actually have positive contributions from the community and reward those participants.
Mm-hmm. I know you guys are actively fundraising. How do you approach fundraising in today's market, and what lessons have you learned while going through this essential step as a company?
Yeah. So my background is in crypto venture. And so I'm now kind of just on the other side. And so I would say like the learnings that I had from venture, I'm now bringing to BitRobot, which is just having a very strong like narrative and positioning of what you're doing within the crypto and startup worlds. And then really being able to show, I think like more and more, crypto is trending towards fundamentals. So being able to show like what is the traction, where's the revenue potential, and all of that very clearly, and then the broader vision. So I would say like I put a lot of work into the materials essentially, and how we're relaying our story to investors.
For sure. If you had to give one piece of advice to founders hoping to fundraise, what would it be?
So I would say I think you just need to figure out what is the differentiation and sort of what is the story and positioning of your product within the broader market. So I think something that I saw on the venture side is it'll just be like, oh, there's another like prediction market or another AI agent project. So like, what's the edge? Why back this particular project, especially as the market's getting more crowded in my view. And so the differentiation and whether that's the team, that's the approach, that's the distribution, I think making that clear is important.
Yeah, and striking a balance between it all, building a powerhouse team, finding product market fit, obviously, super essential, and so forth, building the next distribution layer. Yeah, thank you so much, Solana Spaces, for having us at Solana on Wall Street. Make sure to follow BitRobot on social. What's your social media handle?
At BitRobot Network.
BitRobot Network. Thanks, Amanda.
Awesome.